So this is the buckwheat pillow that I use. My sister made this for me. And it's a very important part of this therapy because you can shape it. It holds the tennis balls for you very nicely, supports your neck. Let me show you a little bit about it. It's a canvas cover, has the buckwheat hulls inside of it. It's a very lightweight canvas that we got. My sister, you can see her sewing job. That's where she put the buckwheat hulls into the pillow after she sewed all the seams. The pillow itself is about 16 inches long, which fits in a pillowcase nicely. It's about 6 inches in diameter, and then it's about 2/3 full of buckwheat hulls. And that way you can kind of have room to shape it and form it, and it isn't so hard on your neck. There's 2 ends, a seam, and I think it took about 3 pounds, I think is what she said, of buckwheat hulls to fill it up that much. But you can see it's very easy to flatten out to shape that it would support your neck. You can then form it for your tennis balls to go in the sock and be right there for you. And it's very durable. I've had this for many years. And I'm sure it'll last me the rest of my life.